This is Pilot, the smallest one. Take a picture of those two.
I have them on video. Puppies.
Come here. Come here.
Oh yeah, look at them.
I know. Are you guys getting hungry? You getting hungry? Yeah. You want to go eat? Make you some formula right now? You want to get up? You want to get up? Love attention. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You love.
Come on.
Oh, yeah. Look at.
Ooh, she'd like it with your toes.
I know. They all like my toes because they look like chicken McNuggets. Hi, my love. Hi, my loves. Hi, my loves. This is my little guy. Where's my little guy? Where's my little one? There's my little guy. Oh, it's so sweet.
Oh yes.
He loves to give kisses. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Look at Snuggle bug. Snuggle bug. Watch out. There's one behind you.
No, there's nothing in front of me.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
He's right. Pilot's like right in between your legs.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, guys. Don't get lazy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Ooh, the water. They're like, ooh, water. Come on.
There you go. Good boy.
Come on. Come on. Come on the grass.
Let's go to the grass. Come on. Yeah, I think they're hungry. They want to eat.
The water's like a new concept to them.
Here, let me go make them some formula. You play with them.
Come on. Come on.
They're all following me.
They try to climb up the step. Come on, get up there, guys. Get up there. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Get a little boost. There you go. There's Mama. You guys are looking at Mama now.
Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come on. Come on. Yo, my little guy. Come on. Come and eat. Come on. You guys are brats. I know you're hungry. Come on. This one's nice.
They can't all get in there. Who's the one left out?
I don't know. So don't get in there.
They want a steak.
They take turns. Isn't that funny how it looks like the Mickey Mouse sign? How long is your video?
It's gonna be 5 minutes.